WANGULATOR, Strangle system for NADEX weekly binary options, performance for one of the easiest to trade systems on the planet. WANGULATOR Strangle system for NADEX weekly binary options. What's a strangle? It's an option strategy where we play both sides in the market. This means we don't have to pick a direction. And when you play binary options with a strangle, you can do some great things when you know how to line up the strike in the strangle correctly. Fortunately, we make things really simple, caveman simple in WANGULATOR, you'll see. And simple is powerful when it comes to trading. Fortunately, the way NADEX binary options work, and vanilla options for that matter, but especially NADEX, with binary options is that we only need to clear a certain amount of points to expire in the money. And in the money equals payday. We don't have to travel the whole distance in order to make the big profit. All we need to do is get in the money. We take an out of the money position and ride that position just enough to expire in the money and get the full profit. This is why binary options can be fantastic, and that helps us with our trading math. So what does that mean for you? This means that you don't have to pick a direction anymore. All you need to do is put on this trade and let the market do its thing. And you let the system math with the tendencies in the weekly price action do the work for you, and you look to just collect profit and stack those profits over time. And you make money by making more money on your winning trades than what you lose on your losing trades. When you do that, you have a trading business. When you have a solid, dependable type of system to trade over and over, then you have a business that you can take up to astronomical proportions. It's pretty simple. Most great trading systems are simple. The key is to be able to simply execute in the marketplace without getting sucked into the marketplace, which is an art and a skill of its own. This is also why we opened up our new Binary Options Masters program that teaches you all these little details, tricks, and inner game things. I would join that if I were you, plus we'll save a ton of money on strategies. So we'd like to put on this strangle trade once a week, and that's that. We use weekly options. We let the system do its thing, and we let the math give us profits over time that we can compound. We don't have to pick a direction. Now that is a valuable business. What kind of business can you do a few minutes a week and that's it? Not many. So therefore I would look into putting WANGULATOR NADEX weekly binary options strangle system to work for yourself. Start on a demo or start with one contract. See for yourself. With this weekly binary options strangle system, up or down in the markets? Who cares? Just move and expire us in the money for sweet large out of the money profit. What's a strangle? It's all right now, it's not some scary thing, although it sounds scary. It's just an option strategy position we get from the world of vanilla options. And maybe back in the day terms such as strangle was not as dramatic maybe as is today, where everyone's so hypersensitive, but a strangle is a version of the option strategy called the option straddle, based on vanilla options, normal, old school regular options. And came along these fancy binary options thingamajiggers, and now things got a little bit more complex, but yet with a lot more profit opportunity. So NADEX decided to merge the world of binary options and vanilla options to offer types of opportunity. So what we have here is that we have opportunity where we can take an out of the money position on each side of the market, the current price of the underlying asset, and we can buy one out of the money position and sell one out of the money position at the same time, and then profit by the movement in the underlying asset. We just pop on the trade, let it take off and do its thing. One position wins while the other one loses. And you make your money in binary options by having one position bought at 15 then mature to 100, which is a very large return. All we need to do is expire in the money, which means that we do not need to ride the position the full distance. That makes it much easier for us to win a strangle. But sometimes we get a drama move in the market and we can simply take the money once we get up in the 80s and 90s simply on momentum. Also understand that as the week progresses your deltas increase, which means that you need less movement in the underlying asset in order to make more money. You need less movement in the underlying asset in order to expire in the money. So as the week progresses it becomes easier to make profit. And because we are trading with index options, any day can bring a very large move which can easily put us in the money from an out of the money turn on the NADEX weekly options. Now in the track record below you can see that we focus on the lazy way of doing the system, which is the simply put on your trade once a week and just let it expire. You can see that the tremendous profit from the track record has happened because of the trading math of NADEX and the trading math of our Strangle. And the money is in the math when it comes to placing bare minimum effort out of the money Strangle positions. We just simply put on the trade in and let it do its thing. And behold, you can see the results below. WANGULATOR, Strangle system for NADEX weekly binary options, performance for one of the easiest to trade systems on the planet.